Okay, so your Aluminator assembly is this contraption right here. So we have two longer nozzles here, and then we've got two shorter nozzles. The longer nozzles are 0-degree nozzles, which will give you more range. And the reason why we have them as longer is because that gets some of the turbulence out of the water or chemical that you're applying and gives it more height. So, and it's in this cylindrical pattern here so that your fanned nozzles don't hit the sides of these longer nozzles. So it works out really, really well. This will probably be one of your favorite tools using on your rig. How to identify, so this is our lowest pressure nozzle, the gray one here. This is going to apply your soap at low pressure at long range. And if you don't want to use soap through this nozzle, you can actually go back and turn off the soap injector and just use this as a water low pressure rinse nozzle. This one here, this is about 1,000 PSI is what you'll get out of this one. So what we like to do is when you're applying your soap with this long range nozzle and you want to rinse quickly, all you have to do is pop this out of your quick connect fitting and switch over to your yellow nozzle here. These are all quick connected at the bottom. So you'll switch over to this. This will give you a little bit extra pressure, but it will rinse without having to walk back to your soap injector to turn it off. It gives just enough pressure to bypass that soap injector. And the fanned nozzles here, they do the same thing. So we have our wider one. You can see the wider orifice in the middle there. That's going to be your fanned soap nozzle. And it is a 25-degree nozzle, so it's going to go on at a 25-degree fan. And then this one here is going to give you about 1,000 PSI and do your rinsing at a 25-degree angle. So this is perfect for vinyl washing, for deck washing, all of those kinds of applications. We use, these are aluminum nozzles here, so they're corrosion resistant. We've got stainless steel threaded nozzles for your fanned ones, and then all stainless steel fittings here, just to limit the corrosion if you're using bleach or other corrosive type chemicals through here. The base of it is aluminum, so it's lighter weight, so that you can keep this on the end of your wand without it being too daunting while you're using it. If there's an application where you wanted different nozzles, they can be customized, or you can buy additional nozzles. These just unthread, and you can put different nozzles inside there. So if you have any questions on that, feel free to call 3R and discuss with them.